Hi, everyone. Happy Labor Day. I hope it's been a wonderful holiday weekend for you. Great today with lighter winds, but we did have to put up with that Saharan dust and 98 degrees. Without the dust, we probably would have hit 100, which would have tied the record on this date. We started at 72, and of course, no rainfall. That's up to the north along the weak boundary along I-10. That's going to sag southward overnight and tomorrow, so not quite as hot tomorrow. And we'll see a few showers late tonight, after midnight, and tomorrow morning. Here's a closer look. Some of these barreling in on Pleasanton and eventually Campbellton by sunset, maybe Karnes City and into northern parts of B County, maybe up around Normanna there around midnight to shortly thereafter. But right now in Corpus Christi, 95 degrees, east-southeast winds at 15 miles an hour. And we do have the dust in the air. It's not too bad, but it looks bad outside with all the haze and the stagnant wind conditions that we have. So a little bit more of that dust comes into the region here over the next several days through midweek. Satellite and radar shows sunny skies here. There's the boundary that's igniting. Again, a little bit of shower activity. As that boundary comes south, it weakens, and that means the rainfall is going to weaken too, and it'll go from scattered up here to the north in the San Antonio and Hill Country area to only straight isolated for us, so less activity. You can see it on the water vapor imagery, though, between the dry air to the north in brown and the dry air to the south. So we are picking up a little bit of moisture, and a little bit of rainfall will come our way. Here it is now on the moisture tracker, and again, you can see it through tomorrow afternoon, and then it really dries out here in yellow. That is bone dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday too, all the way into the weekend. Then it starts to pick up again by Sunday. So here we go around George West, 9 o'clock tonight to north of Beeville, and then just straight isolated showers in the morning and again tomorrow afternoon with a mix of clouds and sunshine, and not much to speak of at all here on Wednesday. Walking the dog tonight looks like this, and not too bad. Temperatures in the 80s, a light south wind, and dry conditions here in Corpus Christi with lows reaching 74 degrees. Not bad, but 72 in Alice. It is September, and temperatures are supposed to drop off a bit. 96 tomorrow compared to 98 today, and the feel-like temperature will be at triple-digit levels, but it's been worse than 107. Beach forecast for tomorrow looks pretty good. Actually, it looks great with a low rip current risk, smooth bay waters to slightly choppy and variable winds of just 2 to 8 knots, seas running 1 to 2 feet. As we track the tropics, there are two systems out there. We've got Larry, a major hurricane that's going to barely miss Bermuda by about 100 miles to the east, and 91L down here forming in the southern Gulf. That's going to go northeastward and not come our way. So that is good news. This is a look at Larry with 125 mile per hour winds, gusts to 155 in the track through the Atlantic, and then the track of Invest 95L. This may turn into a minimal tropical storm down the road. The name would be Mindy, by the way, into the Florida Panhandle, but not going to affect us. High pressure is going to dominate, and here is the 7-day forecast. Again, isolated showers overnight and in the morning, then sunshine in the afternoon and 96. Then we're looking at 97 Wednesday, 99 for Thursday, and oh my, the heat continues right on into the weekend. The rain does start to pick up here Monday of next week, and Katya, as I mentioned at 5 o'clock, next week does look to be on the wet side here in the coastal bend, so farmers take note.
All right. Thanks, Dale.